Hey guys, Seven Peaks Fence and Barn here. In this video, we're going to show you how to set posts for your continuous fence project or other fencing projects you might have. First thing you want to do is run a string line across where you want to run your fence. Tie it off nice and tight for a straight line. You will want to make a mark every 10 feet along that line where you will want to put your post and start digging. We recommend that you dig down at least 2 to 3 feet for every post hole. Once you're done digging, double check your holes and make sure they're clean and lined up with the string line. Lay out your posts next to every hole so they are ready for you to concrete. As you can see here, we used a mixer using fast setting concrete. You can also mix the bags with water in the hole. We recommend 1.5 bags to 2 bags of concrete per post. You can always go deeper and wider with more concrete for extra strength, especially on corners and gate posts.
Okay, so this is how you level a post. You have your 1 foot level. What you do is you grab your post, make sure it's clean, make sure your level's clean, put it on, make sure this side is up top. Put it on there, kind of eyeball it, get it level, then you get it level, and then once it's level you can kind of see how far you need to move over. So I'm level right now and I need to move over about 1/2 inch. So hit it with your foot or move it around. Kind of just work it back and forth. Okay, so I'm level right there if you want to come check that out. So it needs to be directly on the string line and level to make it perfect.
Once you have the post level with the string line, you are going to want to fill the hole with concrete. Make sure you double check that it's level in both directions and on the string line. Do this to every post until you are finished. Depending on the different type of concrete you get, I would recommend letting it set overnight and make sure it's strong and sturdy enough before you hang any fence on it. Be sure to like and subscribe for more great fence building tips. Brought to you by Seven Peaks Fence and Barn. Thanks for watching.